Hello and welcome to Community Crossroads. I'm Carolina Astrain. On this week's show, we hear from Pam Health Victoria. We also hear from Harbor Hospice, the Gabriel Project. We learn about South Texas plants, and we also hear from Theater Victoria. First, we hear from Pam Health Victoria and their drive for supplies for those suffering in Ukraine. Welcome to Community Crossroads.
Thank you.
Morning.
So, Tommy Byers, you're the CEO of the rehabilitation facility for Pam Health here in Victoria. And Lindsay, you're a registered dietitian.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome to the show and talk to us about this drive.
So we're hosting a drive, a Life Support Ukraine campaign from February 13th to February 28th to get donations, supplies, or monetary donations for the people affected by the war going on in Ukraine. We had an amazing response last year, and we're hoping to make a significant contribution again.
And what kinds of items are we looking for?
Jackets, of course it's war-torn areas, so just be thinking jackets, sleeping bags, Band-Aids, all sorts of medical supplies, hemostatic supplies, also child's toys. It's also a civilian area as well, so all of those items that might be useful for them in this time.
It might be a comfort in a very difficult time.
Correct.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
And y'all are requesting that people give at two locations that Pam Health has here in Victoria, at the specialty hospital location and at the rehabilitation location.
Correct. On the north side of town, you have a Pam Health Specialty Hospital Victoria. It's at 102 Hospital Drive. And then we also have Pam Rehabilitation Hospital Victoria. It's at 101 James Coleman Drive. I think everybody knows hopefully where they are. So.
And this is a drive that's going to be starting February 13th, so that Monday, the day before Valentine's Day, you can start giving, and it'll run all the way through the end of the month. Y'all are asking givers, though, donors, to donate between 8 a.m. and noon. That way you have some time to process.
That's correct. And also if the items could be boxed already, so that will make it easier for shipping.
So no loose items.
Correct.
And this is the second time y'all are giving to those in Ukraine. What was the feedback that y'all received after giving last year?
We were able to donate over 20,000 pounds of items to Ukraine. So it was an amazing response, and we appreciate the community's help and support for that.
We have a physician that's within our company who has family there, and he was able to help us coordinate those efforts so that we know, again, shipping was direct, and it was a really great outcome. And
why is it so important to Pam Health as a business and as a community member to do work like this?
I think just having that personal connection, again, a physician with his home, all of the headlines everyone's seen, just been so horrific, and it's ongoing. It never seems to end. So there's still need, and he's been part of this. Part of our company wanting to drive for these items, and we're doing it across our company. So there'll be a very large amount of things shipped on our behalf.
Well, it's certainly what y'all are doing is certainly leading in the community and giving people in the Crossroads the opportunity to give to Ukraine, which is excellent. I commend y'all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, coming up, don't go anywhere, and also thank you for joining us on the show. Coming up, don't go anywhere, we hear from Harbor Hospice.